Today I'll give a simple tutorial on how to turn your old jeans into a skirt. Hey guys, I'm Vaishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The denim skirt is making summer comeback and don't go buy one, just make your own. So let's turn your old jeans into a cute new skirt. So take any of your old jeans, and the most important thing is that this jeans fits you in the waist. Measure the length you want. You can use your another skirt to measure the length. Here I want the hemline to be left raw, so I didn't measure extra fabric to fold up or anything. Just cutting it right off the length I wanted. The next step is to cut open the crotch seam. Now the crotch seam on your pant is the seam that just runs on the inside of the leg. Cut this crotch seam as showing. Just make sure you cut it as close to the edge as possible. Then you need to cut open the crotch a little further, just below the zipper, only a couple of centimeters. So it's just to be enough to make a fold over and to look nice and smooth. Do the same step on the back as well. Now taking this extra fabric from the leg that we cut off, you need two rectangle pieces from that fabric. Place this piece behind the triangle slit that we made. Do the same for back side as well. Here is the pattern that you can follow. For the comfort sewing, you can pin the fabric and then top stitch. Make sure you take the thread of similar color to the one that is already on the jeans, or thread of the color of jeans. Now you just need to sew on the existing stitches. If you don't have sewing machine, you can do this by hand or just by using fabric glue, but not sure how well and long that lasts. And this is how it's going to look after stitching these two pieces. So this is the back part, the front one, and you can cut away the excess fabric at the inside of the skirt. Now taking this extra fabric from the leg that we cut off, just make sure it has the seam, and I'm gonna make it look more as if we just bought it. So adding this piece just below the zipper line and to the bottom of the skirt. And this way the skirt is now ready. So at the beginning of the video, I told you that I want the hemline to be left raw, and so I didn't measure the extra fabric to fold up or anything. So here now I'm going to make the edge to look more frayed, and here's the tutorial how to do that. First I'll show you how to make it look ribbed. So make 3 such cuts. Use a safety pin to pull on the strings. Use tweezer to pull out the strings. This way you can rip your jeans in different places. To fray the edges, pull on the strings in such a way until you get the desired fringes. You need to make the edges look more raw. And here you go. That's it guys. Now I have a cool denim skirt for summers and I can't wait to style it in more cool ways. I hope you liked this DIY. Drop your feedback in comment section. Like the video and share with your friends, and consider subscribing if you are new to this channel. And I'll see you guys next time in my next DIY. Till then, take care.